my friends, Hannah here and welcome back to another episode of Insta360 TV. Would you believe me when I say that those little cooking shots at that mini intro was actually all edited by AI? Yes, you heard right. So today we are going to be spicing things up at home, doing some simple shots in and around the house and letting AI decide the final cut. I'll tell you why. Because a few weeks ago we had a really great response from our Insta360 GO Thailand video. However, we're all a little bit restricted on the travel, so let's spice things up whilst we're at home using AI editing templates. If you don't know what I'm talking about, basically with the Insta360 GO, you have its partnering app. All you need to do is go into the app and we have predetermined templates which do all the editing for you. Let's get started and see what we get. Hello everyone, to kick things off, I would like you to meet Cleo, who's very camera shy, just like her mother. But we're gonna kick things off with the pet template, which requires 5 shots. So if this little baby's gonna cooperate with me, let's see what the AI can do with this. Come on, let's go. Playtime's over, now it's time for the editing. What's next, Cleo? Okay, basketball it is. Bueno, let's go. Edit number 2. Are cute, basketball was fun, but I've had 3 coffees today and I'm having a little bit of cabin fever. So Hannah, Hyperlapse, let's do it. You know the drill. So that is all for today, guys. In a nutshell, why let AI do the editing for you? Well, you can get super stabilized, funky looking edits without putting in any effort. And remember, upon export in the Insta360 GO app, you can always select Color Plus if you want that extra color pop to your footage. So you don't even need to color grade it if you're feeling extra lazy. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this episode. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing if you haven't already. And I'll see you guys down in the comments section as usual. chase adventure, and I'll see you for the next one.